Hey there, everyone. I'm so glad you're here today. If you've been thinking about getting started with crypto, you've picked a great place to begin because we're going to look at the latest 2026 way to sign up for the Bybit exchange. To make things super easy for you, just go ahead and click that link I've placed in the See More section or write down in the comments below this video. That'll take you straight to the official Bybit sign up page. And here's a little gift for you. If you use that link, you're actually going to get a 55% fee discount. It's a really nice way to save some money right from the start, so please make sure you don't miss out on that. All right, now that we're on the page, let's get you registered. You can proceed using either your email or your mobile phone, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you've typed in your ID, go ahead and create a password below. Just a quick reminder, make sure it's at least 8 characters long, and you'll want to include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and a number to keep things safe. Now, if you used my link, you'll see the referral code is already filled in for you. But if it isn't, no worries at all. Just type in EN111. Take a quick peek at the terms, click Get My Welcome Gifts, and then just drag that little puzzle piece into place. In just a second, a 6-digit code will hit your email inbox. Just grab that, enter it here, and you're all done with your registration. Now, let's take a quick moment to do your KYC identity verification. This is just a standard step so you can safely use all the cool features Bybit has to offer. Go ahead and click that big yellow button that says Get Verified Now. First, just double check that your country is correct, then click that little checkbox and hit Confirm. You'll pick the ID you want to use, like a license or passport, and then just click Proceed. Now, since PC cameras can be a bit tricky for IDs, I really recommend clicking Continue on Phone. This will give you a QR code to scan, which lets you finish everything right on your phone. Click Continue, follow the quick tips, and move to the next screen. Click Continue. Just line up your ID so it fits nicely in the frame and take the photo. After that, we'll do a quick facial recording. Just find a well-lit spot, take off any hats or glasses, and click Continue. Once you head back to your computer, you'll see that lovely verified mark pop up. We're almost there. Let's just set up your 2-factor security authentication to keep your account extra safe. To move your funds around later, you'll definitely need this 2-step verification, so it's best to just knock it out now. You're going to need the Google Authenticator app, so if you haven't yet, go ahead and download that from your app store real quick. Ready? From the main screen, click on your profile and go to Account, then click on Security. You'll see a Settings button next to Google 2FA Authenticator. Click that and enter the code Bybit sends to your email. Now, open your new Google Authenticator app. Tap the Add a Code button and scan the QR code on your PC screen. A 6-digit code will appear on your phone. Just type it into Bybit and click Confirm. And that's it. Your OTP is all set, and you are officially ready to explore Bybit. I really hope this guide made the process a little easier for you today. If it did, it would mean a lot if you could hit that like button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.